Okay, so this is pretty much the last of my cotton stash. Technically, it's been finished for weeks, but I kept forgetting to get buttons every time I went to the store, so I ended up having to make some buttons with epoxy clay just as a placeholder so I can put the whole outfit on and see what the entire thing looks like together. I really like the top. The bottoms, they're okay. They're crochet bottoms. I really like the bottoms. As a set, they're okay, I guess, but I really like how the top came out. Yeah, I especially like the fact that I didn't use any ties. I made like normal straps because I'm kind of bored and tired of having everything be a halter tie top. I want to start making like normal straps. Only thing about it is I'm not really confident about the measurements for different sizes. So I need to get a pattern that has different measurements for different sizes. Anyway, so this is the front. This is the back. Don't know if you guys can see it. This is the back. Again, I used elastic in the shorts because I really like that, and this time around I didn't do any ties for the top. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for my cotton stash. That's pretty much all gone. I think if I make this set again, I'll be more, I mean, the colors look good together or whatever, but I'll be more selective with the color. I'll be more selective with the color choices. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it turned out cute.